Are you looking to grow your air duct cleaning, carpet cleaning, chimney cleaning, dryer, vent cleaning business to the moon? Stay here. This is the right video for you. Only for you. Yeah, okay. So see, basically if you are doing any of these business like air duct cleaning, carpet cleaning, chimney cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, sofa cleaning, or house cleaning, and you are tired of low leads, not getting volume in leads, no worries at all. We are a marketing agency that helps companies like you get 60 to 100 leads every month using paid ads, guaranteed. Yeah. A lot of companies are working with us and generating crazy amount of revenue. Not just this. On top of the leads, we also do the premium branding to make you a brand, just like big companies do. Because see, just the leads, you can cold call, you can go to the groups and you can get the leads, but this is not the long-term game. If you want to win the long-term game, ads and leads, or your own leads are very important. So if you are looking for 70 to 100 pre-qualified leads every month for your air duct cleaning, carpet cleaning, chimney cleaning, dryer cleaning business, we can help you to grow your business to the moon. Also, you can scroll down and you can check out our clients' testimonials and what do they have to say. You can check the screenshot of the leads. Also, don't forget to check out why us and why you should choose us for your business growth. Want to grow your business? Click the button below and let's schedule a call and talk together and grow your business together. See you.